Understanding miles per gallon. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase that you often encounter, especially when talking about cars and fuel efficiency: miles per gallon. This concept is not only crucial for drivers but also for anyone interested in environmental impact and economy. So, buckle up as we dive into the meaning and significance of this term. Miles per gallon, or MPG, is a measure used to indicate how efficiently a vehicle uses fuel. It literally answers the question: how many miles can a car travel on 1 gallon of fuel? The higher the MPG, the more distance you can cover without needing to refuel, which generally means the vehicle is more fuel efficient. Understanding MPG is crucial for several reasons. 1. Cost-effectiveness. A higher MPG means you'll spend less on fuel for the same distance, making your trips more economical. 2. Environmental impact. Cars with higher MPG produce fewer emissions per mile, which is better for the environment. 3. Vehicle comparison. MPG is a standard measure, making it easier to compare the fuel efficiency of different vehicles. Calculating MPG is straightforward. Here's a simple formula: miles per gallon, MPG, equals miles driven divided by gallons of fuel used. For instance, if you've driven 300 miles and used 10 gallons of fuel, your car's fuel efficiency is 30 mpg. Several factors can influence a vehicle's MPG, such as 1. Driving habits. Aggressive driving or frequent stop-and-go traffic can lower MPG. 2. Vehicle condition. Poorly maintained vehicles tend to be less fuel efficient. 3. Type of terrain. Driving on hilly or rough roads requires more fuel, reducing MPG. Understanding miles per gallon is key to making informed decisions about vehicle purchase, driving habits, and managing travel costs. It's a simple yet powerful way to assess a vehicle's fuel efficiency and its environmental impact. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of MPG and how you can use this measure in your daily life. Drive safely and efficiently, and see you in the next video.